Na bia maka cho se beka ne se de semetie. Wo hia ye ho be ye wahi. But still, ye beka ne sa. Ko na no medical ka cho se se mu monya visa. Ya pepra project ta, wo betimi akwa ye de ni bi. Ye ha ya na etie. Ye che na ha na ye nyaye. Enti na ha na ye etie. It's the year from the beer to make sure say Ghana bedi ye. Ghana bedi ye. Ghana bejina. Yes, we are there no. How we make sure say man bet me akon kan. Wo dey say munya akwanya monko. Mu dey no kura boa ye monko. Ko say clear say mu amukọ abrochire kura di sika ba fie no. Ye nyesika film so chen go dey to the memu. Eti monko ba ye de ye behwe fie ye behwe fie eti se wo bekọ a ye ntrase nye hwa ma wo kọ abekọ no fa mese o mana sa no akọ e de nsi medidi akwesinsia Asem Yi Di Ka bre na edrusin happy birthday enko efa ma miracle upon ya dodonata afro nana ama Oye account officer ewo Taifa Polyclinic. Nana your birthday. We wish you all the best. Empire se nyankopon mo akoma so ade embre mu fama. Nyame wo nhira no nhira wasefo. O ma tonko so nso abapa. Me kan ye wuni baby e free ba. It once again happy birthday to you Nana Ama account officer. Yeah, what Taifa Polyclinic. And they wish you all the best. And also, happy birthday and confirm Kwabena Edu Yabua. And then when you finish here, it's 6 years today. We flew Papa K Edu. That's K Edu Gas. Ehonum. And say I wish you all the best, boy. Nibeye akwadapa. Na M4 how M4 mre wa wofo. Nyame nhira no mo ase entintima adaachi enye fe. We are see new some faso. Happy birthday. Kwabena Edu Yabua, you're 6 years today. Alapai egwe bedine enye nika. Come bedine nya nika. And him say no what I think about 3 days or 2 days ago na Asem Yi ACS oko Oreli Senior High School. Abamu abako atwe apaso de awo onu ankasa na damfu yo no ye student e wo school wonom amase ye kese abrante na efe ne Edward no wotina nanom e wonse do wawu ayawra wo sempa ayawra wo sem pa se medwin abusua na womba ene Edward ne ho ena me say dwin abusua na woba ne abrante no de apaso kowo Edward no enso so wodo ba ko school na the last moment ade be hu ba nanim ye nifunu ahomete awrewo pa and it's so serious awrewo and also on the other side so me say dwin abusua na won batama paso de wo bi ekunu no so utifie ne be fro ne aka cha say ye de oba police and ye de oba ko do police station akwada wo school. It's so sad. But beyond our own assembly, there's an issue. Mami mancha video in a year Edward Abrantes de Apaso, the Busia for a coast morbi. Na Ninya Babako, and in Sembi etuja. A pasoshe. Na would see a Busiano and can me. She video is here.
It's nothing new. It's nothing new. It's nothing new.
How are you related to Edward?
Edward is my cousin.
Do you know what happened?
He started the paper. Supposed to write government. Started the paper in the morning. The afternoon, I was supposed to start my paper. He came to me and he told me he was done with the the paper, and I said, okay, we are supposed to start the paper. He came for a few minutes. For a few minutes, I heard there are some noise at the back, and they said they are fighting. But they cut off the fight for some few minutes. The boy that stabbed my brother came to me, and he told me that I should warn my brother. If I do not warn my brother's blood will flow on his hand. And I said, how? It's just a normal fight, so just let it slide. And he said, he has warned me. But there are teachers in the school, there are administrations in the school. No one minds. There are people in the school, no one minds. So when the chaos was becoming loud, I decided to come to my uncle because my uncle just lived there. I left the school and I came to my uncle. When I came, they said my uncle is not around. My uncle's house is just here. I came to this shop and I entered. I saw my brother lying down. I was asking, who is that? Who is that? They said Edward. And I was like, what happened? What happened? And they were like, it's God with that stuff. And I was like, how? There are teachers in the school. There are cars in the school. No one. The school boys has to pick him. We went to the next junction. We went to the next junction. We waited about 20 minutes. There were no car until a man came. No one. We want justice for our brother. No one was here yesterday. Anybody? It was a student in the there was a lot of cars in the school. From the teachers. We want answers from the teachers. The teachers of Orally, they are heartless. My brother just like that. The teachers push me to death. The teachers put their voice down. They let the boy die in the school compound. They let the boy die in the school compound. The teachers for Orally, you are heartless. You are heartless. You want justice for everybody. You want justice for everybody.
In fact, maboto. Dear Nankwada no eje ho achirinyi. Baako sim papa osika chen. Baako so buame na papa osika chen. We na ye mofra no agree wo ho ntia ama baako de apaso awo obi amana wuo Orally school. Me papa osika chen. The other portions are Ebusiano Erezi. Yeah, I believe say Ghana Education Service. And pen for Ebekum. Because Ebusiani feel say ebia adnisi yeno. Say school in pen for ye proactive in term the car for Aquadano Eco Hospital. Maybe, just maybe. Ebia ka mutimi save situation kakra. But sa Aquadana da hono ma moja etuna nsana. Ebi mu free school mu akoka kwa ho. Niako isi ebenya card ya befa akora ndi akọ hospital no ade I believe say GS betimi ahwem na yehunu na headmaster na teachers ne so no at that time no esu betimi abo at that time no na die na committee aye to salvage the situation. But it brings back to discussion there be eta eye makasa one yaudie bia bewura Ghana de hiem yaudie etiama abufuo ekosoro eti abeka na samu mudi nkomo meka cho se enema bi wo mo na so do bi agi achi na se nanim esesa petwa so twaso I can bet you say abrante no a owo apaso no owo 8 years granted no kokoto afiase what happens what show the share no na awofo nso yem hwe ye mmofra ne so yem ne mmofra se no mabufu hyew etie and maybe it is sometimes a can ye my school a yen tan kan fan kire a school from pen for no eho but ye school a ye mmofra dua no mu eni ye ka but the temperament ye mmofra bufuo yen share with the teachers. Me mba ko school phrase ya me kire say me ba no di aduane ABCD but makwada na bufu show sene so ensem di fa no meni awofo na me abofra datara me nkire mu nkire school no so maybe awofo nso consider sad no it's so sad na me kaka say the last time abahunu oba o the school mu enim ye say yesi be hwe oba ne fru ye mfa entuma nkata na so coaching fridge. It's so sad. Nyame mane pari awofobia. And it's so sad they say, utifie na about ya from say Yoruba ko police station adaye awokunipa. Akwada de ko school so nkosua de. Akwada de ko school say won ko nkosua de. He ends up at the police station. He ends up at the mortuary. It's so sad. Yamu yamobo pa na anodin we dear anodin then makara wo fo yema yani nko ye mofra ne ho a chirechirefo yema yani nko e mofra ne ho nem prevent situations of this nature minim se ena brante na odi apaso wo Edward Kun no wonu ne ho. Maybe be a one so say be kwa kodu ne say. But this is where he finds himself now. Oma ekwa bra sante atrase. Oma bakọ re.
Well, I consider the readers. It's na pa me ba na maboto kakra ne but homoborn de nyame and be fair no. I put myself, which is difficult, in the shoes of the parents of a year this year I actually, but what else can we say and do is to encourage that we shouldn't allow abnormalities to be normal in this country. And your standards, so now, in our embassy, Betia says, a Kurubia near Jumebia, no, Yedin she say, any Susudia, any Mra, and a Didijuma. A Kurubia, or Muji Bibia, Tombs, attending rule, baby, I'm from for baby, I'm almost on a mobino, Sako Mutna. I thank you for dedicating this time of yours. Now, to our fourth, or to a policy and decision makers, no, so to wonderful. Now, to be for say it is time for us to get back to the drawing board and revise our notes. It's so important. That's it. Nanashi Shenuno, who said that being
Aduma on the 15th of September, 2024.
Okay.
Ye pow enwuma ya trade ya fa da sebre osebus yo tosbienu e hontuma wa sante mampo.
Okay. Covid to boss be na.
Edem.
Okay.
Edem. Eni penifo ahodo bi enso eba asebe. So the kaka say bre no e ye donko pepepepe.
All right.
Na ya sha say no ma before meko no. Mesre asante mampo yesiji. Say amanfo e ka o me ma amanfo eso. Because omo app na microphone chia eto credit oso a omo enye ye sika ne ko
omo che omo frɛ omo call centers no ana omo frɛ regional or hospital no I say what is era dubi kikasa na me adoma next week obi obeba ha na ode nkyeremu no so abeto aso
ha adwen
okay so kwasi yo Kofi Akwa